Introduction. Air pollution, a global concern, has devastating effects on our health and our planet. This project on air pollution aims to spotlight this issue, raising awareness among individuals, communities, and policymakers. We seek to uncover the causes, consequences, and solutions surrounding air pollution, empowering us to act proactively. Understanding. Air pollution. Sources of air pollution range from natural occurrences like wildfires to human-driven factors such as emissions from industries, vehicles, and improper waste disposal. These culprits degrade air quality, threatening human health and ecological balances. Consequences of air pollution. The impact of air pollution spans far and wide, affecting human health with respiratory issues, cardiovascular diseases, and posing risks to ecosystems. It even contributes to climate change, exacerbating global warming and altering Earth's delicate balance. Solutions and strategies. Recognizing the urgency, it's crucial to explore effective measures. This project delves into potential solutions at individual, community, and governmental levels. From advocating sustainable practices to stricter emission controls, our aim is to combat air pollution and preserve our planet's health. Empowering change. Education and awareness are keys to change. By understanding air pollution's gravity, we empower individuals to make informed choices and actively engage in combating this issue. Let's prioritize a cleaner, healthier future for ourselves and generations to come.